Alright, spectator, please stop anytime. It's really free, it's not forced. Maybe your cards. Ace of clubs. Please, spectator. Remember these cards. Your card Ace of clubs. Put on her like this and now squeeze. Right. And now I shuffle these cards. Maybe like this. The next step, snap my finger and your cards jump top of the deck. Wow. And now a production for aces. It's amazing. Now I take this for aces, snap my finger and change for queen. Ace really vanish. It's really normal deck. Your ace really vanish. Look, I take this diamonds, clubs, hearts, spades. No, spades, hearts, clubs. Yes, I take this for queen. Queen of diamond, queen of clubs. I'm sorry, this queen leader. And now queen of clubs change 10 of spades. And now snap my finger and this queen change 3, 10. It's really easy, it's really amazing card switch, it's really amazing card teleports. Let's learn. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will teach you really amazing card trick. It's really cool switch, it's really visual, it's really unbelievable card effects. So guys, subscribe to my channel, like in this video right now, and of course share this video with friend magician. Why not? It's really crazy routine, it's really unbelievable effects, it's really nice trick. So for this trick you make a little setup. You take 4 ace, you take 4 queen, and you take 4 10, right? And this deck really shuffle. And now your setup look like this. You take 4 queen and putting her like this face up, right? Take 4 ace, 1 ace face up, 1 ace face down, and 2 ace face down. Alright, look. Ace, 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 ace face up, and 4 queen face up. So, next step to know this pile, take this 4, 4, 10 and put in her like this. It's really easy. The next step you take any cards and cover this 10. Right. And now your setup look like this. Look. 1 random cards, 4, 10, 4 queen face down, 1 ace face down, and 3 ace face up. Right, it's really easy setup. The next step you maybe make any false cut. Maybe you make false cut like this. You take this deck your right hand, make a swing cut, make a swing cut your break, make swing cut your break, take this pile, drop it like this, take little pile, take your break, and this pile drop it like this. Of course you control it full stack, right? I repeat full speed. Look, it's really shuffle. No, it's really false shuffle. It's really crazy. Look, I repeat, make a swing cut, make a break, make a swing cut your break, make swing cut your break, this pile drop it like this, take little pile, take your break, and this pile drop it like this. Alright. And next step you make a force this ace of clubs. Spectator stop anytime, it's really free, maybe her. And now you make a force like this. Your left hand slide this ace like this and turn over like this. Alright? It's really easy force. Repeat, stop anytime, maybe her, and now make a force like this and turn over these cards like this. It's really easy force, look. Stop, and turn over. It's really easy, I repeat. Stop, take this ace, slide and turn over like this. The next step show this ace, and now your left hand count 1 cards and make a break and make a card control this ace of clubs, putting her like this. It's really nice model title, it's really easy card control. Look, your ace of clubs, putting her like this, and spectator thinks this is your cards center of this pile. Of course, your cards position number 2, right? And now you squeeze and now drop these cards, right? And next step you maybe make a riffle shuffle. You maybe started your left hand like this, because this is 4, 10, and now make a shuffle like this, and this pile, because this is your setup queen and ace, putting her like this. And now you make a shuffle like this. Why not? It's really anywhere. Right. And next step, snap your finger and turn over 2 cards and show it your cards. Ace of clubs, jump top of the deck. It's really easy because you make any double lift. It's really anywhere. Maybe like this. It's really anywhere double lift. Maybe you make like this. Wow. And next step, production for ace. Your right hand move it like this. Your left hand move it like this. And now your production for ace. Look. Snap my finger, your card jump is here, it's really amazing, and now production for ace. And now take this ace, 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 and now your left hand count 5 cards, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and make a break and save it your break. And now you turn over 8 cards, 4 ace and 4 queen, right? Because you make a break these 5 cards. Turn over these 8 cards, and now deal one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4 cards. Of course, this is 4 queen. And now snap your finger and show it this ace change for queen. It's really amazing. It's really cool. And next step, you make a spread and show it really ace one-ish. And next step, turn over this deck and show it this really one-ish ace. And next step, you take this 4 queen, show it this really 4 queen, and now your left hand count 5 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make a break and save it to break. And take queen of diamonds, queen of spades, queen of hearts. No, maybe queen of clubs, queen of hearts. And now these cards, put in her like this, your break, right? And now you take 9 cards, 4 queen and 4 10 and 1 random cards. And now your queen of spades, put in her like this. I repeat, it's really vanish, it's really no ace, it's really amazing. Take this for queen, count 5 cards, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, make a break and save it to break. Queen of diamonds, queen of spades, queen of hearts, queen of clubs, no. Queen of clubs, queen of hearts, and now this queen put in her like this and take this pile like this. Turn over this deck, it's really easy to turn over, and turn over this pile like this. Take these 4 cards and drop it like this. No deal one by one, alright? Take 4 cards like this. Take these cards because this is a queen of spades, turn over, and now you make any change. It's really any change. Maybe change like this, maybe change like this, maybe change like this. It's really anywhere change. Maybe change, shake change. Why not? And next step, snap your finger and show it for 10. It's really easy, it's really cool card tricks. Thank you for watching my video, see you later.